Welcome to Education Labs IQ. The more you learn, the brighter you shine. Let's learn the names of construction vehicles names. Are you ready? Let's go. This is a backhoe loader truck. Backhoe loader truck is a multifunctional construction vehicle that combines three heavy equipment in one unit. This is an excavator. Excavators are one of the most common and essential pieces of heavy equipment in the construction, mining, and forestry industries. They are also known as digging machines, or backhoe, in the field. This is a cement mixer truck. A cement mixer truck or cement mixer truck is a special vehicle used to transport and mix concrete, ready-mix concrete, from the batching plant to the construction project location. This is a pile driver. A pile driver is a piece of heavy equipment used to drive piles into the ground to form a building foundation. This is a water truck. Water truck is a water tanker truck used to carry, spray, or supply water to various locations, especially in construction areas, mining, dusty roads, or fire areas. This is a bulldozer truck. Bulldozer truck is a term that is actually not quite right, because in the world of heavy equipment, bulldozers and trucks are two different types of construction vehicles. This is a tower crane. A tower crane is a tall, tower-shaped piece of heavy equipment used to lift and move heavy materials to high heights or hard-to-reach areas in construction projects, especially for high-rise buildings, bridges, and large. This is a forklift. A forklift is a powered vehicle, usually diesel, petrol, gas, or electric, used to lift, move, and stack heavy objects, particularly those on pallets. This is a tanker truck. A tanker truck, or tank truck, is a large truck that has a tank on the back and is used to transport large quantities of liquids or gases. This is a dump truck. A dump truck is a heavy-duty vehicle designed to transport and unload materials such as sand, soil, gravel, or rock. This is a road roller. A road roller is a piece of heavy equipment used to compact soil, gravel, asphalt. This is a scissor lift. A scissor lift is a vertical lifting device shaped like scissors that is used to lift workers and equipment to high places stably and safely, especially in construction work, building maintenance, or installation at hay. This is a cable pulling truck. Cable pulling truck is a special vehicle used to pull in or install electrical cables, optical cables. This is a mobile crane. A mobile crane is a heavy equipment in the form of a crane mounted on a wheeled vehicle, so that it can move, be mobile. This is a telehandler. A telehandler is a multi-function piece of heavy equipment similar to a forklift, but with a telescopic arm that extends and lowers, allowing it to lift materials to higher or hard-to-reach locations. This is a tracked dumper. A tracked dumper is a material transport vehicle that uses tracks instead of wheels for propulsion. This is a tractor. A tractor is a powerful vehicle designed to pull or push work equipment, such as a plow, trailer, or other machinery. This is a grader. A grader is a heavy equipment used to level the ground surface with high precision, especially in road construction work, land preparation, and dirt road maintenance. This is a slurry seal machine. Slurry seal machine is a special machine for applying slurry seal mixture, which is a thin mixture of asphalt emulsion. This is a bulldozer. A bulldozer is a heavy equipment with a large steel blade on the front, used to push materials such as soil, sand, rubble, or rock. This is a pipe layer. A pipe layer is a specialized heavy equipment or construction vehicle used to lift, transport. This is a rock crusher. Rock crusher is a rock crushing machine used to break large rocks into smaller sizes, ranging from gravel, coarse sand, to fine aggregate. This is a trenchers. Trenchers are heavy equipment used to efficiently dig trenches, typically for the installation of pipes, cables, drainage, or irrigation systems. This equipment is essential for underground construction work. This is a dragline excavator. Dragline excavator is a large excavator-type heavy equipment used for large-scale excavation, especially in open-pit mining, dredging, and dam or port construction. This is a cold planer. A cold planer is a heavy-duty construction machine used to scrape or strip asphalt or concrete from old road surfaces so they can be repaired or resurfaced. This equipment is also known as a cold milling machine. This is a bitumen sprayer. Bitumen sprayer is a road construction machine used to spray liquid asphalt, bitumen, evenly on the road surface before the paving process. This is a padfoot roller. Padfoot roller is a type of soil compactor tool that is used specifically to compact clay, muddy or cohesive soil. This is a concrete pump. Concrete pump truck is a special truck used to pump and distribute liquid concrete, ready mix, from a mixer truck to casting locations that are difficult to reach. This is a road sweeper truck. A road sweeper truck is an automated road cleaning vehicle used to sweep, suck, and clean dust, sand, trash, and mud from road surfaces, construction areas, airports, or ports. This is a drilling rig truck. Drilling rig truck is a special construction vehicle in the form of a truck equipped with drilling equipment, rig, to make holes in the ground or rock.